How to choose microwave-safe containers. In recent years, there has been growing concern about potentially hazardous substances leaching into food from microwave containers. Most of the concern focuses on plastic containers, specifically those containing bisphenol A (BPA) or phthalate. But you may use the microwave for the convenience of reheating and thawing foods. By informing yourself on different products available to heat food in the microwave, you can choose the best containers for your needs and protect your health. Finding safe dishes. Be aware of potential health hazards. Some microwavable containers, especially those made of plastic, can be potentially harmful to your health. Others, like glass or plastic dishes, are better for your health. Endocrine disruption, which mimics human hormones. 5. This may have effects such as modifying chemical signals that regulate metabolism and reproduction. 6. Miscarriage and birth defects. Lower sperm counts. Early puberty. Cancer. Obesity and diabetes. Neurobehavioral abnormalities. 7.